Hello friend, now the 50 liters vacuum emulsifying mixer is ready. Okay, today I will teach you how to use this machine. So when you get this machine, when you receive this machine, you only need to connect the machine with the electric power. So here, the main power is here. The L1, L2, L3 means the live wire, and this is the neutral wire. And for the ground wire, here, the ground wire here, yeah, behind, like the number 70, here. And for the other wires, we have marked it with the numbers. But you no need to connect it. We will not disconnect the wires here. You only need to connect L1, L2, L3, neutral wire and ground wire. Okay, and this is the electric power. And for the water supplier here. Here you see there are two water inlets and two water outlets. This is the water inlet. This is the water inlet for the vacuum pump. Connect to here. And this is the water outlet for the vacuum pump. And this one and this one and that one is for the mechanical seal. This is the water inlet for the mechanical seal, and that one is the white one. The white pipe is the water outlet for the mechanical seal. So you see, we just connect the white pipe to here, to the discharge outlet. Okay, because for this machine, the vacuum pump needs water and the mechanical seal need water. So you just need to connect the water inlet to your tap water, and here this one connect with the tap water, and keep this valve open. And before you use this machine, you need to fill the water into the jacket for heating. So how to fill the water into the jacket? Here, connect this pipe with tap water and then open this valve. The water will flow into the jacket, and when the water flow out from this pipe, we will connect with the pipe here. When the water flow out from here, that means the jacket has enough water. Then you can close this valve. Then you can use the heating function. So please make sure that before you use the heating function, you must fill enough water into the jacket, unless otherwise the heating rod may be broken. Okay, then let's have a look on the control system. This is the main power switch, the indicate light, the emergency stop button, and this lightning means this one, the LED light on the cover. Here, this LED light. You can turn off the light, turn on the light. You see, when you turn on the light, you can check the tank inside from the view window. Okay, you can choose the language. Here, the mixing speed, mixing time. The turbo means the bottom homogenizer speed and the working time. And this is for the vacuum pressure. This is for the temperature inside the tank. So here, all of this button, when you press it, you will turn on each function, like the vacuum pump, like the mixer, the turbo, and the hydraulic up, hydraulic down, heater, discharge. The discharge means this one, the pneumatic valve. press it, it can automatically discharge the finished product from this outlet. But you need to, you see here is the air inlet. Connect this inlet with the air compressor, because this is a pneumatic valve, needs the pneumatic pump. So connect with the with the air compressor. Then you can use the automatic discharge valve. Press it. And this button, the air, is for spare use. And here the reset and tilt means the tank tilting system and reset. Okay, and for the parameter setter, means you can preset the mixing speed and the mixing time, also the homogenizer speed and time. If you want to adjust the number, you can press it. And for example, for the mixer, you can change like 60 RPM. Working time, you can change to like 100 seconds. Yeah, it's the same for the homogenizer. And this is the maximum temperature you want. For example, if the maximum temperature you want is 60 degrees, so like this, when the temperature gets to 60, the heating function will stop automatically. And for this part, is for the pressure of the vacuum. The lower and the upper, it can keep the vacuum between this number. So the lower pressure means when you preset like the number, okay, like negative, and now it's the negative 80 kPa, means when you turn on the vacuum function here, when you turn on the vacuum function here, this is the vacuum gauge. When the pressure reach to negative 80 kPa, means negative 0.08 MPa, the vacuum function will stop automatically. Okay, so then let's test each function. Firstly, we can turn on the mixing function. 你帮我按一下啊，你按这个 mixing. Wait a minute. Okay, when you turn on the mixing function, the bidirectional mixing system, yeah, will work on. Okay, we stop the mixing function, and next we will turn on the homogenizer function. 等一下啊，这个对，这个 turbo. Okay, turn on the homogenizer. Okay, turn off the homogenizer. And for the heating function, yeah, you just press it. But as I mentioned that before you turn on the heating function, fill water into the jacket. Okay, and let's test the vacuum function. For the vacuum function, you need to close all the valves here. Closed. And this pipe closed. And open this valve. This valve is the vacuum valve, and this pipe connect to the vacuum pump inside the box. So this pipe, this valve open this valve, and the other valves all closed. Then you can turn on the vacuum function. Okay, press the vacuum. Okay, it stopped. Then close the vacuum valve, and you can turn off the vacuum function to keep the vacuum. And then the discharge, when you press it, this valve will open to discharge the finished product. But here we didn't connect the machine with air compressor, so this function we cannot test now. And the reset and the tilt means the tank hydraulic tilting system. So we need to open the cover, but before open the cover we need to release the vacuum. Here, the air filter. Open this valve. Okay, then we can tilt, then we can hydraulic up the cover. Okay, tilt. For the tilting system, you need to keep press it like this. And reset. Actually, it can tilt a little more than 90 degrees for easier discharge all your product. Okay, and also we will provide a pipe, a transparent pipe with stainless steel pipe. So this side connect to this pipe. This is the material inlet. So when the cover is closed and when you turn on the vacuum function, then you can use this pipe to suck the raw material from your raw material tank. Okay, this is the machine. Okay, that's all.